Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you guys are still great, hope you guys are still fabulous, hope you guys are still good, blessed, whatever else that you are. Yeah, it's a Saturday. I just came back from work, heading home. Yeah, the official opening of this vlog. If somebody knows, please help. How do you make your lipstick stay and avoid this thing here, you know, and irritates her so much? So if you know, hook a girl up. Some advice would do. Yeah, we'll chat later, guys.
I see that you're hurting, I see that you're down, I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out, was ready to rumble, was ready to fight, got lost in the thunder, without alibis, shout at the night, rage at the lies, don't let the fear.
Hi guys, I'm back. I'm at home, so I decided to change and put on something comfortable, just the tracksuit. I'm not planning to go anywhere anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm super hungry. I'm super hungry, and then get on with household duties, and then I need to rest because I've been coughing a lot, so I just need to eat, take some medication, do some tidying up. It's not really hectic cleaning, it's just tidying up, and then
and she goes to sleep late.
And I'll probably vlog only one part of the cleaning segment, not me tidying up the whole house, but yeah. And then
Control is deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Unto the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Unto the stars have fallen, onto the ground. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. I'll be with you. Until the sky is falling, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen, onto the ground. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, oh, oh,
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to.
When will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. Oh, yeah. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting? kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying. Things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Come. Will it stop hurting so much? So much. No. When will it come?
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way. Out of all the storms raging at the sea, He gave me back my life. I owe Him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank Him every day. I will put Him first, 'cause He did that for me. He sacrificed Himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. Put joy to His name every single day, 'cause He never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord.
Morning guys, it's a Monday morning. I couldn't close off the vlog yesterday. I think I dozed off, can't remember. So I'm just heading to work and I'm just here to close off the vlog officially. How cute are these sunglasses though, guys? How cute are they? They're from Foschini. Foschini also is also they also have nice sunglasses if you're looking for nice affordable sunglasses. But anyway, I yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've been watching till the end, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share the video with family and friends. I would highly appreciate it. And yeah man, we'll catch up on the next vlog.